Bricklayer Don Messmer is tooling the joints between bricks of the new entrance of the Academy of Science and Medicine located behind Central High School. He's part of a small crew working on the front of the building, giving it its own entrance for the first time. And this is just one small part of the overhaul of the ASM building, says District Communications Officer Jason Wibkenberg.
This is certainly one of our most popular innovative programs. It currently serves about 250 students. Once this expansion is complete, it will be able to serve 500 students. And it's going to have the most modern learning spaces. We're actually in a college-style lecture hall when it's completed, where so much learning will take place, but new and updated lab spaces. To have a top-notch science and medical type program like we're offering here, you have to have facilities that support that type of teaching and learning.
The ASM facility is essentially gutted and being rebuilt and expanded. Wibkenberg says this project is costing $10.6 million in general obligation bonds. While this work is happening at ASM, less exciting but still important work is being done to the parking curbs of Central High School. Concrete cement masons are in the sun, working out of the back of a truck on the curbs near the stadium. Mason Dan Taylor.
You just got to saw cut it and jackhammer it down so far, then we'll form it up and pour it back in concrete.
Taylor and Mark Gresham will do about 40 crumbling spots this summer. This is part of the regular maintenance, like deep cleaning throughout the buildings. The district also spent $613,000 on the CHS track. Jason Wibkenberg.
We want to make sure that it is a high-performance surface for all of our student athletes to compete on, so really excited about that being completed. Harrison High School has a new turf field going in. We've had great success with turf fields for many years now, and it was time to upgrade the turf at Harrison.
And this summer, Enloe Field at Bosse High School is receiving several upgrades. Here, carpenters cut plywood and carry it into the announcer's booth at the top of the stadium. But there's work happening all over the place here, inside and out.
So much work taking place there, making them ADA compliant, new seating surfaces at Enloe, upgraded restrooms, new restrooms, complete redesign of those. It's going to make for better spaces for student athletes, but also better spaces for the community, for the spectators, for the family and friends who come to support our students.
This project is costing $6.3 million, also in general obligation bonds. Wibkenberg says they use a scientific approach to prioritize projects.
Continually assess the conditions of our buildings to make sure that they are doing the upgrades, the improvements in the right order to meet the needs of all of our schools. Well, this is certainly the type of summer where there are some pretty large projects going on, including those that are very public-facing rather than being on the interior of buildings.
Also significant is the heavy work at the Wrights Bowl and the new cosmetology program space at the Southern Indiana Career and Technical Center. For WNIN News, I'm Tim Jagielo.